Hi guys, welcome to your daily douche. And guys, thanks for all the advisements on like how to deal with those people and their blowing machines, blowing my yards away. I did try putting some ice on the front porch, but that didn't work. They just blew the ice away. So yeah, waiting on my parents to come down for the monthly cleaning, and they're going to bring some dirt from Wisconsin, because guys, we didn't have these types of people up there, and since I'm like smart, I think the dirt will like scare them away because they can't exist with Wisconsin. Another suggestion was to buy some furniture for the back patio to like stop it from shrinking. But guys, even if I buy all my furniture from Restoration Hardwares, because it's a flex, I don't think the furniture will work, because if they just blow it all away, it's like gone. I think the way it works is some of the furniture has to be here so it can restore itself. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Someone else said just like let the girl who lives with me park in the garage. But guys, that is like not happening like ever. And anyway, like I still have cardboard boxes in the garage from when we moved like 2 months ago, and I just haven't had like time to break them apart, and probably never will, because you know guys, is how difficult and time-taking my job is, and with all my diseases and conditions, I can't like risk a paper cut, because I can't predict which disease or condition will like flare up because of the intense pain from the paper cut. My broken back condition alone like prevents me from even lifting a box. I mean, like the only box I am able to lift is an Xbox. I don't seem to have any issues with that, which is a miracle. If you didn't know, when I was a child, I fell down and broke my back in like 300 places, but it healed naturally, and I didn't go to the doctor or anything. It's also a miracle that I can go golfing like whenever. So I can't lift boxes or hang pictures or curtains, but I am able to do golfing. So yeah, I always like to say, if you believe it, you can dream it. And my dream has always been to be an golfing professional player, and my broken back isn't gonna stop me from dreaming. I'm already like able to golf a score of like 52. So yeah, doing good. Okay, bye.